Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of beekeeping. Whether you're a budding enthusiast or just curious about these incredible creatures, this effective guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get started on your beekeeping journey. So, let's buzz right in. First, let's talk about why beekeeping is such a rewarding endeavor. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem, pollinating a significant portion of the food we eat. By keeping bees, not only do you contribute to the health of the environment, but you also get to enjoy the sweet rewards of honey, beeswax, and even the satisfaction of watching these industrious insects at work. Now, before you rush out to buy a hive, it's essential to do your homework. Research is key. Familiarize yourself with the different types of bees, particularly the honeybee, which is the most common bee kept for honey production. You'll want to understand their behavior, life cycle, and the roles within the hive. Worker bees, drones, and the queen all contribute to the hive's success, and knowing their functions will help you manage your colony effectively. Once you've got the basics down, the next step is to check your local regulations regarding beekeeping. Some areas have specific laws about hive placement, the number of hives you can have, and even the types of bees you can keep. Make sure to comply with these regulations to ensure a smooth start to your beekeeping journey. Now, let's talk about gear. You'll need some essential equipment to keep your bees safe and healthy. First and foremost, invest in a good beekeeping suit. This will protect you from stings while you work with the bees. A veil is also crucial, as it keeps your face and neck safe. Gloves are optional, but many beekeepers prefer them to avoid stings on their hands. Next, you'll need a hive. There are various types available, such as the Langstroth hive, which is the most popular and widely used. It consists of stacked boxes that allow for easy inspection and honey harvesting. You can also consider top bar hives or flow hives, depending on your preference and space. Each type has its pros and cons, so choose one that fits your needs. Don't forget about the tools. A hive tool is essential for prying open the bees and scraping off excess wax and propolis. A bee brush can help gently remove bees from frames during inspections, and a smoker is invaluable for calming the bees and minimizing aggressive behavior when you're working in the hive. Once you've gathered your gear, it's time to set up your hive. Choose a location that receives plenty of sunlight and is sheltered from strong winds. Make sure there's a nearby water source, as bees need water to thrive. It's also wise to keep your hive away from high traffic areas to reduce disturbances to the bees. Now, let's talk about acquiring bees. You can start with a package of bees, a nucleus colony, or even a swarm. Each option has its advantages, but if you're a beginner, a nucleus colony is often the best choice. It comes with a queen and a small population of bees already established, making it easier for you to manage and grow your hive. Once your bees are settled in, it's crucial to monitor their health regularly. Check for signs of disease, pests, or any irregularities in the hive. Varroa mites are a significant concern for beekeepers, so be vigilant about checking for them and managing their population. Regular inspections will also help you assess the overall strength of your colony and whether they need more space as they grow. Feeding your bees is another important aspect of beekeeping, especially during the early stages when they're establishing their hive. Sugar syrup is a common feeding method, but make sure to provide them with the right ratios based on the season. During the fall, consider offering them pollen patties to help them build up their stores for winter. As you gain more experience, you'll learn about the art of honey harvesting. Timing is everything. You want to ensure that the bees have capped their honey before you take any. Using a honey extractor can make the process more efficient, but you can also opt for the crush and strain method if you're working with smaller quantities. Remember, it's essential to leave enough honey for the bees to survive the winter. Another critical aspect of beekeeping is understanding the seasonal changes and how they affect your bees. In spring, your bees will be busy foraging and building their hive, while summer is the peak time for honey production. Fall is when you should start preparing your bees for winter, ensuring they have enough food and are protected from the cold. Winter can be tough, but with proper management, your bees can survive and thrive until spring returns. As you become more comfortable with beekeeping, consider joining a local beekeeping club or taking classes. Networking with other beekeepers can provide valuable insights, support, and camaraderie. Plus, you'll have access to experienced mentors who can guide you through challenges you may face along the way. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. Beekeeping can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Take time to observe your bees and appreciate their hard work. Each visit to the hive is an opportunity to learn something new and deepen your connection with these remarkable insects. So, there you have it. An effective guide to getting started with beekeeping. From understanding the basics and gathering your gear to monitoring your hive and harvesting honey, you now have the tools to embark on this exciting journey. We hope this video inspires you to explore the world of beekeeping and contribute to the health of our planet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engaging content. Happy beekeeping!